Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add link in your TikTok bio, right? So let's go into the TikTok mobile application here, and you have to click on the profile icon which is on right bottom side, and after that you will enter in your profile, right? So here you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and after that you have to choose the setting and privacy. You have to click on the account, and after that switch to business account. Why I'm telling you to switch to business account? Because without switching to business account you can't add a link in your TikTok bio, right? So you have to just click on this switch business account, and after that you have to wait for a few seconds here, and here you will get all the information. So I will just click on the next, and you have to select on which category you are working, right? So for example, I'm just clicking on the finance and investing, and after that click next, and after that you have to just skip here, and here you can see it does click on the setup profile, and after that you will get option to add website here, right? So as soon as you will change your account to business account, you will get a website link, just like you get the option to add a bio, same alike you will see option to enter the website link or any type of link here, right? So you have to just convert your account into a business account, and you have to just set up your profile. This is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.